Today we will bake brownie with Snickers chocolates. Lots of chocolates. So this is an original recipe. I hope you will like it, guys. So here are the ingredients. 200 grams of butter, 4 eggs, whole eggs, 1 1/2 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of cocoa, 2 bars of large Snickers, 1 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of milk powder, 1/2 cup of water, warm water. In a mixing bowl, put the 1 1/2 cup of flour, then add the 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Any brand will do. Then add on the sugar, 1 cup of sugar, and then we will mix it. Add on the vanilla, 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon of vanilla. Next is the baking powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, then mix them. Next is the butter, the melted butter. Pour it slowly. Now we can add on the eggs, whole eggs, one by one. Then dissolve the powdered milk with warm water, mix and add to the mixture, to the brownie batter. mix all together. Continue mixing until the desired texture will be acquired. And we are almost done. So the final consistency will be like this. It's creamy. Now we'll slice the chocolates. We'll cut it by cubes. It will be like this. For the toppings. Okay, we will now prepare the baking pan. If you have bigger baking pan, will be better. I have this small. So you will grease the baking pan if you don't have this baking paper so that it will not stick to your pan. I think baking paper is better. Easy to remove from the pan.